you hate this shit.
I know. But it's the daily, like, this shit was just dirty. I haven't cleaned it in like 2 months.
Oh, RIP to the paint.
It's the daily. It's still gonna look pretty though.
Yeah, you're right.
Yo, but you know what? It's okay, cause eventually I'm gonna get it detailed. Eventually. Look at this. That's the fastest car wash we got.
Yo, for real?
We just got in here.
Excuse me? Okay.
Relax, Terry. Relax.
Yeah, but the door's all closing on us.
They didn't tell me to go yet. It's saying relax. Alright, now it says go. I'm still gonna relax. I guess I'll Damn, I can't even get out to like look at it yet.
No.
Let's just get out.
Just kick you right out.
Get out. Right turn only. That's stupid. See? She needed a bath. Oh my gosh, so much better. And then when we get to Terry's house, I'll wipe it down. Or at least the wheels. Make sure it stays nice and clean. So much better. Oh, look at that pearl. Oh my God. Guys, I think I bought the wrong exhaust. That shit sounds crazy.
Once that leak gets fixed though, it's probably gonna sound a little bit better though.
Yeah. Oh my God.
That sounds
insane.
It's vicious.
Yo, that's kind of like Jordan's.
Yeah. So imagine when I get PCDs.
Alright, before I sell my exhaust and buy a an endless RPM V2 exhaust, I'm gonna cut the resonator out because mine needs to sound like that. We got work to do. Alright guys, so today we're gonna be putting the Type S lip on a bass bumper because it is possible and it can be done, right Terry?
I think it fits right over.
Yeah.
It's already on.
Everyone tells people, oh, you need the freaking Type S bumper, it's not gonna work. Yeah, that's not true. This is a bass bumper and we're gonna get it on and we're gonna show you how it fits. And it's not on right now, but we're gonna put it on, make sure it's secured. Yeah, also along with the rear Type S bumper.
Literally, it just clips right on.
Yeah. I don't know why everyone says you need a Type S. No. The rear lip needs some work. The front bumper, you'd be fine. But damn, this is a good looking bumper. And I love that they kept it black right here. And then painted the outside. Too. That's such a good look. Because I hate when people fucking paint match those.
Yeah,
I hate that. It looks
weird.
It looks weird as shit. So yeah guys, we're gonna be doing since the exhaust is pretty much set to where we need it to be, we're gonna be doing that. We are gonna do a little adjustments on the exhaust today to make it sound better other than the leak until we get the car down off of the jack stands and take it to the shop to fix the leak. But for now, we got a few things to work on to get the car buttoned up.
And this is going on today too.
Oh yeah, look at the sparkle though. Ooh, ooh. Terry likes sparkle.
Yeah.
All unicorns and rainbows and shit, right?
Yo, for real. It makes it look so much prettier. All I gotta do is clip that on, clip, and then glue it on
put some adhesion on the bottom. Yeah. So we're good to go. Also,
a lot easier with the vice grip.
We got one sway bar end link to do left. He already did the passenger side, so we're gonna do the driver side today. Should be a quick 20-minute job, if that. Depends on how the rust treats us. But yeah, a couple more things just to button up the car. And then we're gonna be out there doing hood rat shit with our hood rat friends. Yeah. All right, guys. So front lip is 80% on. Just got to put a couple of bolts in, but for the most part, front lip is on, and that is a base bumper. This grill was kicking our ass, but we're getting it. It's almost on. That's about 80% on as well, and that's front end of Terrence's car. How you feel?
I think I'm gonna get a front lip too. Splitter.
Splitter?
Yeah. Small one.
Yeah. No, don't get one. Let's make one. I want to make mine.
Yeah, I want to do like a flatter one.
Yeah.
Not one that sticks out a lot.
No.
That's kind of flat.
We'll take your bumper off. We'll do a template, and we'll make one ourselves. I think that's the better way to go.
Yeah, probably.
You know, make it yourself. That way it's more satisfying when you do it, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
So, you like the front end?
I like it.
You like it?
It looks a lot better. Base model plus.
Base model plus. Who needs a Type S when you could look like one? No, sir. Chill out, chill out. All the Type S guys are gonna be fucking, no, you asshole. No, sir. We love you guys too.
This is the way.
This is the way. Mandalorian. Yeah. No, it looks really good. And I think if you do put a splitter on there, it's gonna look even better.
Yeah. But I want something small though. I don't want like the big like STI ones.
No.
I want something that at least just like covers this under gap right here.
Yeah.
Probably goes off to the side.
I got an idea. All right, guys. So bumper's done, front and back. The grill is on. It takes a whole lot of what is it? Cutting.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta cut most of the grill out. Just leave enough for the lip on the edge to catch. Look at him admiring his baby.
No, I'm plugging things in.
Oh, he's plugging things in, excuse me. So we did the front bumper with the grill and the front lip. And we adjusted the rear bumper to sit a lot better. But now, just look at the car. I need this rear lip in my life. And it looks so good with the exhaust. Oh yeah, he got the diffuser on there. So we didn't do the end link, but that's quick. Probably save that, or Terrence will probably do that on his own. But here's the car as she sits. There's still a few things missing to get everything buttoned up tightly and all 100% good to go. But man, those bumpers took a lot more work than we anticipated. But look at the fitment on it. It sits real nice. Real nice. So you got it plugged in?
That's one fog light.
One fog light. All right. Plug in the second one, then we'll show you how it looks with the lights on. Now that's a front end we all love. Damn, that looks good with the lights on. I think that's the perfect shot right there. Perfect angle. Mm-hmm.
The only thing that's left is to put the accurate thing on the bottom.
Yeah. Yo, I think a lot of people don't like the shark mouth. I think the shark mouth complements the car.
It does. Especially if you have the bars painted.
Yeah. You know, he didn't paint the bars fully, but he left the plastics on. I told him to take them off. He won't do it. He won't listen to me. He won't listen to you guys either.
The plastic's wider, so it's more pronounced.
Yeah, whatever. Yo, so I think that's where we're gonna end the video today. We did a lot of just tweaking on bumper fitment, but shit, it's looking good.
Car's coming along.
It is
pretty much almost done.
It's more done than mine.
Yeah, you're right.
reality is I'm waiting on more parts. Once said parts come in, then I'll show you everything together.
It's gonna look better when it's on the floor.
Oh yeah, I can't wait. We should have slapped the coils on, but we'll wait till spring.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna wait till spring.
Fuck it. Alright, we're gonna leave you guys here. You guys have a blessed night. Like, subscribe, comment, do all that jazz. Yo, let's keep growing. That last video got us some growth. I know it's because of the giveaway, but it still got us some growth. Yeah. We'll do another giveaway. I'm gonna end up planning on giving away that manifold. We gotta go back and get another manifold, 3.7 for you guys. Terry's gotta come first though. Yeah, then we're gonna get you guys a 3.7 manifold. That's gonna be a big giveaway. I think the next one's gonna be that drain valve, the Fumoto drain valve. Oh, you should just look at it. You guys need that in your lives. It's so helpful. This piece right here is the next giveaway. So we were talking to the sponsor and he says he's gonna give us one so that we can give away. But you guys gotta follow him, show him some love, and buy some AMS oil, damn it. Use code TL10, 10% off on everything on the site. Woohoo! 10%, yo, baby. That's it for the video. It's a wrap. We're out of here. Peace out.
We're old.
Yeah, you old.
You older than me.
Shut up. Yo, we'll see you on the next one.
I'm
Peace
19.
out. Yeah, right.